Cats, those lovable and mysterious creatures. Here are 5 surprising facts about our feline friends. Cats spend 2/3 of their life sleeping. That's equivalent to 16 hours a day. Talk about living the dream. A cat's brain is 90% similar to a human's. They think and plan just like us. The world's richest cat is worth $13 million. That's one wealthy whisker. The world's oldest cat lived to be 38 years old. Can you imagine 38 years of purrs and head rubs? Cats have 5 toes on their front paws, but only 4 on the back. Now that's a quirky cat fact for you.